Okay, guys, we are back with the last tier list of the day. Okay. Wait, how big can you make this? That big now. Like that big. Okay, the Pittsburgh Steelers, their line has fell off a lot. I think they're gonna be a... probably I would have to say. Okay, Patriots. They got some new pickups, but will it help them with the season? I think they're gonna get until they get rid of Cam Newton, they're just not gonna be that good. Okay, yeah, but the Cardinals actually got some people. I want to say 10-6 or 7 or 9-7. Oh, I might do a something tier list, like a running back tier list, I think. I'm gonna say 10-6. And how about LA? Matt Stafford, I think they'll be a 10-win team. Seahawks, probably a 12-win team. No, 11-win team. I'm gonna say these guys... Okay, now if the Broncos get Aaron Rodgers, they're probably gonna be 10-7, 10 and... No, wait, no, they're 17 games now. So 9-8, or... I'll just go off the 16 game thing. I think they're gonna get 5-6 wins. I think they're gonna get 6 wins. They are a little better. Probably a 10-win team. Dude, I don't like how they're 17 games now. Bengals, I feel like they're going to be a 4-win team. Washington's going off this season, 10-win. Nah, probably not. I don't know what the frick's going to happen with Watson. But even with him there, if he's out, I don't know if that team will get a single win this season. I wish the camera was bigger, but well. The Saints, probably a 9-win team with Drew Brees. They're probably an 11. Falcons, how bad I want to put them right here, because they're my favorite team. You just can't. I'm still moving them down. I don't even think they're a 7-win team. We are in a deep rebuild. I think we go 7. I think we might get 7. Because that 17th game. No, we might get 8 because that 17th game. But I think we're going to stay at... Yeah, I think we're going to get 7. We're going to be 7-10. They'll probably go... I think they're going to go 12. I don't think any team's really going to go 13. Chargers... They still suck, though. They're not great. Justin Herbert. Okay, Tua got robbed, bro. Oh my god. Tua got robbed so hard. You guys might think Oh, Chase, what are you talking about? Tua literally almost got the Dolphins to the playoffs with a bunch of injuries, so. With the Devontae Parker. What did Justin Herbert do? Big whoop. He might have, threw some bombs and got a bunch of yards. That's because they were freaking throwing the whole season, because they were behind. So, I don't even think Tua got robbed. I think, who else could have been a candidate? No, it wasn't Tua who I think got robbed. Jordan Love, I think it was. No, I'm just kidding. Jordan Love didn't do a freaking thing. Jalen Hurts could have won it. Okay, yeah, well. Okay, yeah, like I said, if Aaron Rodgers stays with them, they're a 13-win team. But until we get confirmation, they're going 12 win. Well, if they don't have Aaron Rodgers, they drop down to 8 wins, but I think the Bills are going 13 or 14. Dolphins 9. I have to give them 9 wins. Yeah, who cares about? I think Trevor Lawrence is going to be a bust. The Jaguars were looking for. Yes, and you guys heard me right. Bust. I think the best QB out of that draft is gonna be what's his name? Wilson something. I'm having a brain fart, so. Carson Wentz leads this team to 8 wins. San Francisco, probably 9 wins. Eagles, under 4. I think they go 14-2. Lions are probably going to be the same. Titans, they got Julio, so I gotta put them in the 13. And they're probably gonna go 17-0. New York Giants. Okay. I think they're gonna be a 5-win team. Jets. Same thing as the Eagles, Jaguars, Bengals. They're gonna suck. Who did they get? Oh yeah, well, they got that Wilson dude. I don't really remember his first name for some reason though. Vikings will go 9-8. Bears will go probably 9-8. Raiders will go 8-9. Panthers will go 6-11. And the Browns will go probably 17-0. No, I'm just kidding. They're probably gonna get 11 wins. So with that, the Pittsburgh Steelers will not make the playoffs. Actually, who's above them? 1. So they get those are the first 4. And then who would be the 5 seed? The Ravens would get the 5 seed. And then yeah, I think the Steelers would get the 7 seed. The Dolphins would get the 6 seed. So yeah, according to me, the Steelers will make the playoffs. Okay, guys, that's the video. Like if you want me to do running backs. Subscribe if you want me to do tight ends. Because you can't comment. You guys know to stay awesome. Always do peace signs. Peace.